What if we combine the ICT concepts with the regular retail trading indicators? In this video, you will learn how to create a perfect combination. There is no doubt that ICT concepts prove itself that it has a profitable concepts and it has a profitable trading strategies. And in this video, we will use fair value gaps combining with a EMA strategy. So before we lose any time, let's go to indicators tab and search for our first indicator, which will be whole suite. And you will see indicator from in silico. Click that to your chart. And the second indicator is a fair value gap from the Nephew Sam. Click that to your chart. And after you add the both indicators, what you need to do now is you should see on your chart this green and red lines, and the fair value gaps appeared on your chart. So basically this whole suite, when it returns to green, it means a bullish price action. When it returns to red, it means a bearish price action. But using itself, it's not profitable, as you guys already know it. Now we will combining with the fair value gaps, and the fair value gaps is the concepts of ICT, and how it works is it will mark out for you the gaps between this candle and that candle. When it happens in the key areas, it become a high profitable price action trading strategy. So now we will combine those guys, but before we do that, let's go to settings for the hull suite and change your hull variation to EMA and your length to 70 and your length multiplier is 1 and the higher time frame is 4 hours. You can copy everything you see here, and after that hit the OK button. Now let's go over to fair value gap setting, and please check the first box. We only want to see the time frame of the chart, and you will uncheck those and check those boxes. Please change it to 300 and length of boxes to 20, and you can copy everything you see here. If you done that, just hit the OK button. Now what we have in our chart is the perfect setup to trade Nasdaq futures, S&P futures, the gold futures, the crude oil futures. You can trade everything with this great strategy, and the best thing about it, it is completely free, and I know you like it. So let's jump into chart now to trade live together. So there is only two rules that we need to follow up to become a profitable strategy. So the first thing is you need to get the signal from the whole suite, and the second is you need to confirm with the fair value gap. Now I will show you in the action how you can do that. Let's roll the market tour for our first signal, and we are waiting for a signal appear on our chart, and we are waiting market. And now what we see here is a bearish fair value gap, right? And we got a red from the whole suite. So what you want to do in that position is you will initiate your short position with the bar close here, and you will target a recent lows or 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. You can easily target this, and you can put your stop loss just above this fair value gap, and you will write the trade. Let's see if we get hit or miss. So the price is ticking, the whole suite is still red. This is a good thing, and we are waiting, and boom, we got filled. We just banged together, guys. The risk reward ratio was 2.5, and that was an awesome trade. I was trading in the 15-minute time frame, but you can use this strategy on the 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, and the 15 minute. But the higher time frames I don't suggest, because this will be a typical day trading strategy. So the first target is met. Let's roll the market to see the second signal here. We are waiting for whole suite to become a green, and we got a green from the whole suite, and what we have here is a fair value gaps, and this is how we like it. So after you get the first green from the whole suite, please be careful that it continues to give you green, because sometimes the whole suite can change its color directly. So you can enter a position with the third one, and that's what I will do now, because if you notice here also there, and it changed its behavior after green to red. So that's why we will always be focusing on the third candle. We will put our stop loss just under this fair value gap, and we will target the highs over here. 2.16% risk reward ratio. Let's roll the market. If we get hit or miss, the price is ticking, and we just Banked another trade. Congratulations guys. This strategy is really simple. All you need to do is just follow the system, and don't forget this. This is not a 100% win rate trading strategy, and you cannot find something like that. Every trading strategy will give you losses, but the most important thing here is, in the end of the day, if you are making money or not. And to understand that, you need to test it properly. You need to test it at least like 2 trading weeks. So if you want to increase some accuracy here, or if you want to get one more confirmation, I can suggest you 2 indicators. The first one will be a Donchian trend ribbon, and this is from the Lonesome W. Click at your chart, and this will give you a nice confirmation whether you are in wrong direction or the correct direction. If you see that, it will give you 2 colors, red and the green. The red means bearish price, the green is the bullish price action. So you can confirm your position here. If you see this example over here, the hull suit returns the green and you got a bearish fair value gap. What you want to do in that scenario is, you will initiate your short position with the 3rd candle here, right, with the bar close, and you can target, let's say, the 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, and you can put your stop loss just above this fair value gap. So in that scenario, you can, get a easy money. So the second confirmation indicator will coming from the Kıvanç Özbilgiç, which is super trend. If you go down, you can just click that your chart, and this indicator will give you buy and sell signal. What you can do is, you can confirm everything here with the super trend. When you get the sell signal, you will confirm with the whole thing over here. You don't need to use Donchian trend ribbon as the 4th indicator, because the 4 indicator is too much on your chart. The 3 indicator is the sweet spot in my opinion. So that was all for this strategy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching those videos, and until the next time, see you soon.
From the city to the beach, you plan the nights in beach. Trading stocks, making moves. I'm the boss at 3, 2, 1. Got the hustle in my blood. No